What's going on, everyone? So quick little short video. We put the motor and transmission in here last week, and we have that issue there. That's our exhaust manifold aimed straight at the frame. So did a little bit of research, talked to some people, and I decided to try out the eBay Blemish headers or manifolds. They're cheap, 146 bucks. So let's get started and we'll check them out and see if they're gonna work for us or not. So I got a buddy who does a lot of LS swaps, and when he seen the pictures that I had posted, he told me to look into these. I'd actually already seen them. These things are sold cheap on eBay for like $146 for both of them. Comes with the hardware and flanges, and they're sold cheap because they supposedly have a blemish on them. He says he's ran them with no issues, and the issue is supposed to be on the mating surface, and I don't even see an issue with that one. They definitely look nice. So these things look good, kind of like a factory manifold, except they don't have no extra nubs or heat shields or anything, or the areas for them. So I actually really like how they look. And this one here, you can see it's a little pitted right there and a little scratch there and there. So I'm sure that's why these were sold as blemish. Now let's see if they're gonna work for me or not. That's what really counts. I see them robot moves again. Come on. And one break off there, and it was weird because I actually walked up and the head of it fell off, but I didn't even put the ratchet on there, so you can see it's rusted over. It's been broke for a while, just barely hanging on. Oh, I'm liking the way that looks. It's gonna be close, ain't it? Probably still on backwards. So it's hard to see, but there is a little gap in between there. But damn, is it close. I guess I'm gonna get the other flange over here and see how much it overhangs this. There is room that we can grind a little bit right there if need be. So we're gonna see if we can make this work. All right, there we go. Good clearance now. That'll do. So a couple things. One, where I plated that frame up, if you guys did not see the video, that's all 1/4" metal. So it's nice and thick right there. The frame was already all tied in, and then I plated it all the way around with 1/4". So there's a lot of extra material there, which gives me plenty to grind away. Still not get down to the factory frame. It's still in the box material or the extra added material, and get the clearance we need there. So that's pretty awesome. And then I'll just show you guys over here real quick. The driver's side is obviously gonna clear. The factory one clears. So I'm not gonna worry about showing y'all that one on there. I'm pretty happy. One, these things look great. Like I said, they kind of look factory, just a cleaned up version, which is awesome because that's the look I'm going for underneath the hood. I'm gonna have it kind of factory looking. They're cheap enough, 146 bucks on eBay, and I didn't have to modify factory ones. And they hug really tight on that motor because that was I thought that was gonna be a real pain over there, and these just took care of them. So I definitely recommend them to anyone, just off the little bit I've seen already. So hopefully that helps some of you guys if you're having clearance issues, or if you're on the fence if these things are worth it, if you want to buy something called blemished, because the blemish wasn't really that bad. Nothing I'm worried about. So if you're new to the channel, please check out some of the videos, maybe where we put the front Silverado frame onto the Travelall, some of that stuff. If you always come back and watch, thank you guys again. I appreciate you watching my videos. If you want to help me out, drop a comment down below, like the video, share, subscribe. All those things help the channel grow. I'm on Instagram at Puddin's Fab Shop, and I'll see you guys in the next video. But don't forget, sitting on your ass won't finish your project. I'll see you guys next time.